Spaghetti vongole in 10 minutes. The best spaghetti vongole ever. Let's test it, but I know already that they're amazing. Spaghetti vongole. Life was never so good. Simple Italian dish, an evergreen I will say, after the spaghetti alle olio, one of the most classic. Few ingredients, less ingredient, but really nice quality. The vongole or clams. I bought here in UAE the local clams. Of course, if you find the vongole veraci, that is what we use in Italy, very nice. I found it really nice and cheaper. This bad boy, this beautiful product, it's amazing. It's almost the same flavor of the vongole veraci we use in Italy. So you enjoy at home, but you enjoy even in the restaurant. They have just one particular things that you need to follow, kind of rules. Normally, you put the salt in the water. For those vongole or those local clams, you don't need it. Spaghetti vongole in 10 minutes. I bought 1 kilo of local clam. 1 kilo it's enough for half kilo pasta. If you put more, will be salty. If you put less, you don't get the flavor. Garlic, we will use 7 cloves. Slice it. Red chili. Here I have a Thai red chili. You can use what you want. I will use 1 full, but this is up to you. It's not a spicy dish, but require this touch. Fresh parsley. We will use both. You know, the stamp, I will use it for the soffritto. That means when you start in a pan with olive oil, garlic, chili, and we use this part. Remember that, in all the herbs, this part is the most flavorful. The leaves are less flavor and mostly it's a kind of decoration and texture. For our pasta, here in UAE, I buy this. I found it really nice. It's a pasta reggia, it's called it.
Maccherone, mi hai provocato e io ti dico Luca adesso. Io me ne vengo.
Sound that is an Italian brand. The most important things about this pasta is if you say 10 minutes, actually in 10 minutes it's still al dente. We will cook it 1 minute less, because what you want to strain it, put in your sauce and let absorb all the liquid and the flavor another 1 minute. Plus, the starch from the pasta will combine all together in what is a kind of cream. White wine. I use a normal Chardonnay, is my house wine to cook. You want a little bit of acidity, wash the flavor of the clams, but nothing else, nothing super strong, please. And of course, extra virgin olive oil. Italian people like and love extra virgin olive oil. Really simple process, require just few steps and attention. What we do before we take our clams and we wash it in water. Running water is fine. If you find the vongole veraci or you are in Italy, what you put rock salt in your water to wash the clams. The clams are coming from the sea. That means it's salty water. They feel like a tomb. That means what they do, because they are alive, they start opening and close like breathe and wash themselves inside. That is the meaning of that. Plus, if they are with a little bit of sand inside, the sand, is going away. Spaghetti alle vongole in 10 minutes. We wash them and after that we strain the water and we drop it. What's up when you drop it? When you drop it, they open and close. You can see if they have still sand inside. You don't want sand in your mouth when you eat the spaghetti vongole. Second step, one of the most important, is the base, the soffritto. Same of the aglio olio e peperoncino, I will say. We start olive oil, we sauteed the garlic, chili, of course, and in this case I will use the stamp of our parsley. We drop the vongole in. White wine, remember, one part will be extra virgin olive oil, 2 parts will be the liquid, in this case wine. We reduce, we cover, and we let the vongole or the clams, in this case, open up. When they are open up, switch off the fire and wait for the pasta. We will do everything at the same time. That means you put pasta boiling, drop it in, at the same time we can open the vongole. Drop the pasta in the sauce, mix all together, create this kind of creamy texture. Chop a parsley at the end, and that's it. Was served and still served on 24th of December, what we call la Vigilia di Natale, where the menu is only fish as a first dish. If we wanna look really into the history, the book La cucina teorico-pratica di Cavalcanti, the book speak about vermicelli all'aglio con le vongole, that is a kind of spaghetti vongole, because in the recipe actually speak about this broth made with vongole juice, and after strain it and mix it with the spaghetti or vermicelli, in that case a little bit of pepper, garlic and chili, and of course parsley. Iconic dish, super simple Italian culture, that explains you really what is Italy. 3-4 ingredients, but the best ingredient you can find. Simple cuisine, extremely flavorful and famous around the world. Let's say that the spaghetti vongole is supposed to be what we call white. That means just vongole, chili, parsley and garlic. If you wanna add something, most that you can add is just pomodori datterini or cherry tomato that give this kind of freshness and acidity to the dish, but that's it. You see that? That is the best ever. No oily, creamy, nice, super fresh. Smell amazing spaghetti vongole. And let's test it, but I know already that are amazing. Smell unbelievable. Fresh clam. Amazing, guys. And that's it. Spaghetti vongole. The best ever.